I love Riga and I love Latvia, and I can already tell, even though we've just started, that I'm going to be sad when it's over. So I just finished the master class and I was nervous because I'm like, what are they going to want to know that I have to say? But they were very attentive. We talked about how to deliver the song the best and fall in love with the song and give yourself to the audience.
Through the music, you can speak with everybody. It doesn't matter the language, doesn't matter the place that you are. You just connect and share our trip through the Black Atlantic water. It's very nice to be here in Riga. We felt like in home.
Everything's set up so well. You do not want to miss this. This is going to be one of the best times of my life, and I'm sure yours too.
And feel the war between us.